It doesn't matter. The point is how.
God is watching me.
Ang naong ni Marco eh.
Angels.
Hmm.
He said he sent
Oh, your guardian angel must be shaking his head all the time. I was like,
Now you have your guardian angel.
and your angel
Yeah,
was like,
because you know you have wings at the back.
came in human form.
and your guardian angel must be like, good luck. All yours now. All yours. Ay, nako. Oh. Finish na to eh. Sama rin.
No, no.
Oh, they're
No, no.
already full.
Eh,
Just,
Finish it tomorrow.
yeah, actually.
Okay, that's it.
for tomorrow.
But later. Ayoko.
Yeah.
Di man mo mga una ng isda, dalhon ako maugma sa kuan.
Nah, dada lang mag-ista na eh.
Problema.
Ano na? Gamay rin. Ito.
Ni, atik. Bot-bot ni mo, Mark.
But